Chapter 41. In the kitchen, a couple of days later, the Bucks County Courier-Times lies open on the table. There's a photo of Hammy from the Hammy Time video and one of me from my Jon Stewart video. Someone has drawn an arrow to me in the photo and written jerk. Way to get over things, Linz, I say, even though Lindsay has already left for school and I'm the only one in the room. After I cross out the word with black marker, I read the article and think about how the reporter didn't get what I said exactly right, but it's still pretty cool to be written about in the newspaper. Someone I know might read it, like Aunt Sherry or Miss Berger or even Elliot. Definitely Miss Myers, because she said she reads the newspaper every day. Tingles erupt on my skin, on my arms, and shivers run up my back. I really am getting famous. In math class, Miss Lovely says in her gravelly voice, "Nice article about you in the newspaper, Mr. Greenberg. Very impressive." "Very impressive," Tommy mocks from behind me. Miss Lovely glares at him. "Mr. Murphy, I have had enough of you." She slaps a piece of paper onto his desk. "You have a detention, and if you disturb my class once again, I will send you to the assistant principal's office." As soon as Miss Lovely turns on the TV for WHMS News, Tommy throws a ball of paper at my head. When I bend to pick it up so I don't have to get in trouble for leaving trash, Tommy whispers, "Read it." I do. "You're so dead." Even though he can't spell, I know exactly what he means. Cousin Jack's words echo in my mind, and I can't concentrate for the rest of the period. I think I know what Tommy plans to do. On the way to my next class, I walk past the staircase. Imagine Tommy throwing some kid off of it, throwing me off of it, and know that Tommy really is going to hurt me if I let him get near me. In my next two classes, a couple of kids and another teacher tell me they read the article about me and liked my videos, but I'm too worried about Tommy to get as excited about the extra attention. In the lunchroom, when I'm walking toward the loser table in the back, Tommy appears out of nowhere, sticks his foot out and trips me. Pizza and chocolate milk fly off my tray, and I land on the floor. Somebody shouts, "Have a good trip. See you next fall." Kids laugh. I scoop everything back onto my tray and feel heat explode in my cheeks. As I'm dumping my lunch into the trash, I see Tommy aiming his cell phone at me. "Give us a smile, Laneberg. After all, you're famous, right?" I turn my back to him but can hear his laughter. "Greenberg's videos are lame," Tommy shouts. "I've seen them all, and they're lame." "Yeah," I hear someone say. "Totally lame," someone else says. "Even my little sister thinks they're for babies." I rush to the table at the back of the lunchroom and keep my head down, wishing I still had my food, because at least I would be something to distract me from this horrible, never-ending period.